In this video, I am going to show you why this week is important for the Bitcoin price action. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with PHEMEX and BYBIT, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now discuss why this week is going to be very important for the Bitcoin price action, and it's because of mainly two things which we discussed then in the prior video. So the first thing is this weekly time frame na stochastic RSI, kasi right now we are seeing this potential bearish cross in the weekly stochastic RSI. So in this case, if we are seeing this weekly stochastic RSI bearish cross, this could indicate that we might see a one last dump to the downside before we see a pump to the upside kay Bitcoin. And it's because of this other thing na gusto ko rin ipakita, which is this potential golden cross dito in the weekly time frame. So golden cross is wherein the 50 moving average in the daily time frame is going to cross the 200-day moving average. So if we see this cross, this is going to indicate a pump na nga kay Bitcoin. So with that being said, what are my opinions dito with the latest Bitcoin price action? So basically, as for me, if you're going to look back in time, because as much as possible, we want to base this on historical movement ni Bitcoin price action. So in the past, what Bitcoin did was, after ng massive crash niya, what happened to Bitcoin was we saw a pump. And then this pump dito, after this massive pump ni Bitcoin, at nagkaroon ng bullish cross dito in the golden cross sa daily time frame, nagkaroon siya ng one last crash or one last dump to the downside before seeing a pump na nga dito kay Bitcoin. But as you can see, dito sa previous movement, hindi tayo nagkaroon ng natawag doon ng parang rejection dito sa 200 moving average eh. Rather what we saw, dire-diretso siya dito eh. So in this case, if magkakaroon tayo ng rejection dito in the 200 moving average, then it's more likely going to go back to the 50 moving average, kasi that is now going to act as a support kay Bitcoin. Now, looking at this in the current price action, as you can see, we are seeing that downside dito ni Bitcoin, and then almost a similar setup. Difference is sa baba tayo ng 200 moving average dito. So this week is going to be decisive, because if we did not see any Bitcoin pump above the 200 moving average, then that would mean that we might see a one last dump to the downside dito pabalik sa 50 moving average. And this is going to align with the weekly time frame na bearish cross in the stochastic RSI. Now the good thing dito is it's definitely going to have a bullish cross na nga dito in the or golden cross. So this is going to indicate na meron tayong one last chance to buy Bitcoin and one last chance to open a long position for the long term once na mag-play out to. So in this case, I am not going to open any trades for the week for the time being. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the weekly time frame candle close, which is going to be next week, Monday, 8 a.m. So, yeah, as much as possible, wag natin madaliin yung paggalaw ng Bitcoin price action. Let's monitor the price action, and kung susundan niya nga ba to, then this is going to be a buying time. So we can actually short this sa very short term, but for the long term, this is going to be a very good time to invest for the long term nga kay Bitcoin. So right now, it's pretty much a decisive week for the Bitcoin price action, and that is what I am going to monitor for the coming days dito. So I guess that's all the updates for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out my next videos. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.